Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about abstraction and encapsulation. It comes under unit 1 and for second year. So encapsulation is nothing but imagine that as a capsule, and inside the capsule we have a number of minute particles, right? So that can be imagined or combined with data members and member functions. So class consists of data member and member functions. It is like int a is a variable, in data a is a variable, and it is of type int. So that particular thing will be called as variable. In here in this it is will be called as data member, and we have n number of methods. For example, addition function, subtraction function, multiplication function, printf function. So these functions will be called as methods, and here it will be called as behaviors. So states are called as data members, and behaviors are called as methods or member functions. So encapsulations consist um, is fully focused on implementation process, and the consider this is a vending machine which is available in our campus. So here what we will do is our process is we will insert a coin, and whatever thing we want that we will choose, and we will get an product outside your vending machine. So we didn't know what are the mechanisms are happening inside your vending machine. Just as an end user, we will know the process. Just we will select a product, insert a coin, and we will get the we will get the product. So this is what our end user side. But implementation side, we do know it. We don't know it. So that process is hiding. So this is called encapsulation. And next we will see about abstraction. So abstraction is fully based on designing level process. I'm giving two examples. One is mobile, another one is car. So in abstraction for mobile, we are in it is a smartphone. We have a number of layers a number of layers after your front screen. So if you touch, for example, if you open a WhatsApp, you will click and you will touch the icon that you are supposed to open, then you will get a display. Then you, if you want to contact any person, that person name will be you will choose it. So that touch process will be done only by done by using by you. But what are the things which is done by designing process, you do know it. So only the user required things are shown for the users, and remaining things are not visible for the users, then it is called as abstractions. Where in case of car, so inside your car you have a number of machines and parts inside it. That is not, if you open and if you if mechanical person, if mechanic open and know the process of it, that is called car without abstraction. So if it is closed and you don't know anything about it, if you apply an accelerator, it will go, and if you apply a brake, and then your car will stop. That process will be called as abstraction. If you didn't know any process which is happening inside the machine or car, mobile or car, then it will be called abstraction. And the process which is happening inside is visible is called without abstractions. So for end user, we will know about the abstraction. We will know only the outside part we can able to use, but whatever happening inside the machine or mobile, it is not possible to view by the user. This is what abstraction is, and we will see the difference between abstraction and encapsulation. So for user perspective, abstraction is fully solves the problems and issues that arise during the design stage, and for encapsulation it is at least fully for implementation stage. And for focus, it allows you to focus on the objects, does not does instead of how it is done. And for encapsulations, it enables you to hide the code and data into single unit in order to secure the data from the outside world. And for implementation process, here we can use abstractions and also using interface and abstraction class, where in case of encapsulations we can use access modifiers, protected, public, private and all. And for focuses, it is mainly based on what should be done, and for encapsulation it is primarily focuses on how it should be done. And for application level, this abstraction is fully for designing level, and it is during the designing process. And for encapsulation, it is purely during the mainly implementation level. Consider one more example. This is a mobile. The front process is called, designing process will be called for abstraction, and implementation will be done by encapsulation. So for calculator also, here we have mathematical equations that will be done by using encapsulations, and the what are the process is done outside your and layer will be called as abstraction. And for these are the real-time examples. So what are the process done before your things will be called as abstractions, and implementation process will be done is called as encapsulations. So this is in capsule, it specifies with variables and methods. Thank you.